Parents and young people's control conflict. Finding a balance between freedom and responsibility. Many young people start their professional careers with hopes and aspirations for freedom. However, during this time, they often face strong desires for control from their parents. This control stems from the parents' responsibilities in raising their children and their hope for their children's success in society. However, excessive control not only diminishes the young person's pursuit of freedom but can also lead to tension in parent-child relationships. Parents primarily exert control over the young person's finances and lifestyle. They may attempt to manage the young person's income and spending, or even interfere with their choices of friends and romantic partners. Such overreach into the private lives of young people not only provokes resistance but may also cause psychological suppression and confusion. This conflict becomes especially pronounced when young people are just entering society and searching for their own paths in life. In response to their parents' control, some young people may resort to extreme measures, such as hiding their income or choosing to live independently. While this defiance may offer a temporary sense of freedom, it can further deteriorate the relationship with their parents and even affect their position in society. Such a vicious cycle not only disrupts family harmony but may also hinder the young person's personal development. On the other hand, excessive parental control may stem from a lack of trust in their children or from insecurity about the outside world. This behavior may leave young people feeling distrusted, which can impact their self-esteem and confidence. To avoid such situations, parents need to learn to let go and provide their children with more independence. By respecting their children's choices, parents can help them adapt better to society. At the same time, young people should recognize that their parents' concerns are not without merit. Parents possess rich life experiences and possibly deeper insights into society. Their controlling behavior often arises from concern and protection for their children, hoping they can establish themselves and succeed in society. Young people can engage in open communication with their parents, understand their intentions, and avoid making rash decisions in their pursuit of freedom. To find a balance between control and freedom, young people can attempt to establish their own life rules and communicate with their parents. By setting clear goals and plans, young people can demonstrate their independence and maturity, gaining their parents' trust. Meanwhile, parents should also allow young people some freedom to learn and grow through experience. Throughout this process, both parties must continuously adjust and adapt. Parents can gradually relax their control by observing the young person's behavior, allowing them to grow through trial and error. Young people, in turn, should balance their pursuit of freedom with accepting responsibility and respecting their parents' opinions and advice. So, as you pursue freedom, are you ready to engage in honest dialogue with your parents? Do you recognize the significance of finding a balance that both parties can agree upon for your life? Through this balance, what positive changes do you foresee in the parent-child relationship? How will you take on your responsibilities in the process? Are you willing to try and understand your parents' perspective, so you can find harmony between seeking freedom and maintaining a good relationship with them?